Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, guys? I hope you always in a good condition. Okay, today we are going to learn about obligation and prohibition. Before that, let's start. Please say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Who is present, please comment in the comment section. Write down your name and name. Okay? Nah, so in this material, I will reminding you what's the previous material that we have learned. Yes, it's about descriptive tab. You can find or search in the previous videos if you don't remember. Okay, so let's start the prohibition and obligation materials. I will give you some pictures. Please guess and comment in below. What's the picture is it? The picture that I show you is prohibition signs. So then how about this? Yes, true, it is obligation signs. But do you know what the difference of these pictures between red and blue? Which is the prohibition signs? You can guess in the comments, but I will show you the answer. In the red one is prohibition sentence. In the blue one is obligation sentence. But do you know about the description of prohibition and obligations? I will show you. Okay, class, so here the language feature that usually we use in a prohibition and obligation sentence. So what's the language features we use? Commonly in prohibition and obligation sentence we use modal. The modal, there are many modals that you can use. For example, there are must not, have to, has to, do not, does not, can, and cannot. So those is the language feature that you can use in prohibition and obligation sentence. Okay, then here the description of or the meaning of obligation. So what is obligation? Obligation is the state of being forced to do something because it is your duty or because of law, or something which must you do because you have promised or allowed. The social function of obligation is to obligate someone to doing something. The pattern of obligation usually use subjects plus modals, must or have to or has to, and then verb 1. Here the example of obligation sentence. You can use must or have or has to. I will give you one example. If using must, like I must wear uniform every day, and using have, I have to finish homework. You can read individually or pause these videos. Okay, the next is the meaning or description of prohibitions. What is prohibitions? Prohibition is a law or regulation to stop something or the fact of not being allowed by official rule or laws. So what the social function of prohibitions? The social function is to prohibit someone to doing something. Then here's the pattern of obligation. Usually use subject, must not, or cannot, and verb one or adjective plus complement. Okay, here the example of prohibition sentence. There are so many, but you can read individually or pause this video. For the example, one is you must not use your phone in a class. The second, don't come late. Okay, so here the assignment that you must to do. Please each students makes dialogue of prohibit and obligations dialogue. Then you can analyze which is the obligation and the prohibition sentence. You can write down in a comment sections, please, and then don't forget to mention your name and name because I will give you mark of that. After you writing your assignment in a comment sections, please, this is this final assignment for next meeting. Please make a poster of prohibit or obligation. You can choose one of them, not all. Choose one of them. You can choose prohibit or obligation. Then each of student can present your poster in front of class. But don't forget to give your poster explain of your poster because I will ask you about the poster. Okay class, I think that's enough for these videos. So how do you feel about after watching this video? Did you understand well about the obligation and prohibition materials? If yes, thank you so much for watching my videos. But you remember what is the meaning of obligation and prohibitions? If you don't, I will give you some conclusions. It's short about obligation and prohibition. Okay, so obligation is the state of being forced to do something because it is your duty or your law. The pattern in obligation usually used is subject, must have or has to, has not, and also don't forget to give verb one. Then how about the prohibitions? Prohibition is a law or regulation to stop something. So the social function of the prohibition is to prohibit someone to doing something. In a pattern of prohibition usually use subject, must, and also can or cannot use, and plus verb one or adjective and complement. So that's the conclusion of our material today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.